Hello, thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to be going over how I repaired my cheap compression tester. This is one of those that you see everywhere on the internet. I think I bought mine on eBay. And really basic. Reviews were not that bad, so I decided to go ahead and go for it. And used it for a while. Not very often, probably used it 15 times maybe. But I'm guessing that it's worked. I don't know how accurate the readings are, to tell you the truth, but you know, I've kind of managed with it. So the other day I was trying to test the compression on a cylinder in a car, and instead of releasing it here, you should, I released it here with the quick release, and when I did that, I saw some things blow out, and it didn't work after that. So I've been spending the last few hours trying to figure out what's wrong with it, and I think I've got the solution here, so I'm going to share that with you today. So I've got the gauge here, and by the way, I have no glass in the gauge, but that's okay. I just broke that the other day, but still worked when I last used it. And I always use the hose here. What I would do is just push it into the quick connect. And after I had problems with it, I noticed that there was space in here that I'd never felt before. Okay, so it's obvious that's, you know, O-ring blew out of it. So looking inside, you can see an O-ring there, rubber O-ring. I put that in there. Okay, so I put one in here. Thought that was going to fix it. Still got that space there. Okay, let me kind of show you what happens if you have that. And I have the space, even with these guys here, because I was going to use one of these instead. Got that space. If you got that space, it's going to leak out. Air will leak out. I had to use my other hand to feel the air there, but as you can see, the gauge is not going up. Okay, using the hose, still haven't done anything. I've got that one O-ring in there. Got some space here. So I'm getting nothing here, no reading at all. Alright, so I just happen to have this kit here, and the one that I used, remember I put one in here already, still have that space. So I'm just going to add another one. I'm going to add the 622 705 here. Now I'm not sure that is the exact one, but that's the one that I put in, and we're going to try that again here. So it'll be two of those. Okay, so the easiest way to put this in there is just kind of drop it in like that. Then use one of these guys. Just push it straight. Okay, see there's no space there anymore. Quick connect here is still working like it should. So let's try this real quick. Okay, with compressed air, let's test it here. Okay, so we're getting a reading here. Let's go back to our hose. Alright, so here's another problem that I was having. I've got the same setup here, just moved it up where we can see a little bit better here. Same weed eater. It went up to 125 psi and it started leaking. I'm pretty sure that the weed eater is not leaking. And let me show you what I was having problems with. First of all, here's the way it should work. Should be holding, you see there. Okay, and once I release it, I should be able to immediately pull again if I wanted to and retest. But I was having some leaking, and let me show you where that was coming from. Take this apart here. You're going to have the valve, the release valve, right here. So you should have some up and down movement here. Here's what it looks like. You've got a longer stem, got a little rubber O-ring. And I think that's shorter. It could be seems to be shorter on this end. Okay, so I found it best to put this long end that the O-ring is not on straight into the gauge. Put the quick connect back on. Matter of fact, let's try it the other way and see if we get that leaking again, or if we can continuously test. Okay, again, no movement here. That's really the best accomplishment we've made, or I've made here today. Let's try this. See, I'm not getting anything with it. With that valve set like it is now, so we have some release. It's just not showing the needle there. Okay, we're going to flip it around, long end to the gauge. Also, there is an O-ring right here. That looks like it's getting worn. That may need to be replaced. So it's pretty tight. Excuse me. It's pretty tight here, but if it ever gets to where so it's pretty tight here, so I think it's going to be okay for now. So let's try it. Turned around. Okay. Yeah, so that's how it's excuse me, that's how it's supposed to be set. So anyway, that's what I found here with this my kit here. The cheap compression tester. Hope it's been helpful. Good luck with your own, and until next time, have a great day. Take care.